welcome to Questioning Online class. In today's session, I am going to solve the sums here. The write the place value of 2 in the following decimal number. You have to write the place value of 2 in the following decimal number. So first question, here 2.56. 2.56. So now you have to see the place value. Clear? So first one is 2.56. So how to write this? 2 is in ones place, means unit place, right? So 2 is in ones place, so 2 into 1, correct? Ones place. Then after that decimal point is there, right? So write plus. Next, after decimal point, if you get a digit, any digit, that can be written as, that is tens place, tens place. Next is hundreds place, right? So after decimal point, which number is in the tens place, and after that next number is in the hundreds place. Next is thousands place. Clear? So now 5 is in tens place. So 5 into 1 by 10. So after decimal point, if you get any digits, that can be written as 5 into 1 by 10 plus. Next number is here 6, correct? So 6 into 1 by 100. So hundreds place. So this is in tens place. Clear? 5 is in tens place and 6 is in hundreds place. Clear? Hundreds place. So now the question is, write the place value of 2. So in this question, 2 is in which place? Means you write the place value of 2. So now you can say that 2 is in ones place, correct? In 2.56, in 2.56, 2 is in ones place. 2 is in ones place. Clear? 2 is in ones place. Now second one is here, 21.37. 21.37. So how to write? So you have to see the place value of 2. Second one, 21.37. 21.37. So how to write this? 2 is in tens place and 1 is in ones place, correct? Ones place, tens place, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, like this, correct? So after the decimal point, see here 37. That is 3 is in the tens place and 7 is in hundreds place. Clear? So now 21.37. This can be written as a, how to write? 2 into 2 is in which place? The tens place. 2 into 10, 20, right? 21. Correct? So 2 is in tens place plus 1 is in ones place. 1 is in ones place plus 3 into 3 7, right? 3 is in tens place. So we can write 3 into 1 by 10. 3 into 1 by 10 and 7 is in hundreds place. So 1 by 100. 7 is in hundreds place. So we can write 1 by 100. So we can say that 21.37 in this 2 is in tens place. 2 is in tens place. Yeah? Tens place. This is in 21.37. This is in decimal point. So you write the place value of 2. Now in this question, 2 is in tens place. Here 2 is in tens place. Okay. Now we'll see third question. Third one is here 10.25. 10.25. In this question, 2 is here. See, 2 is after decimal point. Which number is 2? Correct. So now we have to write the place value of 2. Place value of 2. 10.25. So we can write. So 0 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place and here 2 is in tens place and 5 is in hundreds place. Clear? 2 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place. Now 1 is in tens place, so we can write 1 into 10 plus 0 is in which place? 0 is in ones place. 0 is in ones place plus now 2 is in tens place. 1 by 10. 2 is in tens place. Means here. So now 1 by 10 plus 5 is in hundreds place. So that we can write 5 into 1 by 100. 5 into 1 by 100. Now question is write the place value of 2. Write the place value of 2 in the decimal number. That is 10.25. See, 2 is in tens place. So we can write 10.25. In 10.25, 2 is in tens place. Tens place. Okay, 2 is in tens place. After decimal point, it is tens. It's hundreds. Hundreds. Next thousands. Clear? So now in this question, 2 is in tens place. Clear? Next, fourth one, 9.42. 9.42. See. Fourth question, 9.42. In this, 9 is in ones place. So after decimal point, 4 is in tens place and 2 is in hundreds place. 4 is in tens place and 2 is in hundreds place. So how to write this? 9 is in ones place. So 9 into 1. 9 into 1 plus 4 into after decimal point. Next number is here 4. 4 into 1 by 10. It's tens place. Correct? Tens place. Tens place. Next. Plus 2 is in hundreds place. So we can write 2 into 1 by 100. 2 into 1 by 100. Now we can say that 9.42 in this place value of 2 is hundreds. 2 is in hundreds place. Yeah, 2 is in hundreds place. 2 is in hundreds place. So this is a place value. To write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. So you write place value of 2. Yeah. Suppose if they ask to find the place value of 3, then in question you will get number 3. In any place, maybe it may be in ones place, tens or hundreds, or after decimal point it is tens, hundreds, thousands, yeah, 10,000s. So like that. So this is the answer. Clear? Yes. Thank you. Okay. Next question. See here. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. Clear? A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C. See, Dinesh went from place A to place B. A to place B and there to place C. Dinesh went from place A to B and B to C. Here B to C. Now from A is 7.5 km from B. A is 7.5 km from B. Means from A to B he travelled 7.5 km. 7.5 km. Here and B is 12.7 km from C. From C, 12.7 km to B. 12.7 km. 12.7 km from B to C. A to B travelled 7.5 km and B to C travelled 12.7 km. 12.7 km. Clear? So next, this is the travelled by Dinesh. Here, Dinesh went from place A to B. A to B, that is 7.5 km. And similarly B to C, that is 12.7 km. Clear? So this is the A to B, B to C. Clear? Now next, see here, Ayub went from place A to place D. A to place D and from there to place C, means D to C. D to C. D is 9.3 kilometer from A. D is 9.3 kilometer from A and C is 11.8 kilometer from D. And C is 11.8 kilometer from D. So question is, are you went from place A to D and from D to C? Clear? Are you traveled from A to D and from D to C? The kilometers are given like this: A to D. Place A to D is 9.3 kilometer. 9.3 kilometer. Now D to C. From D to C, that is 11.8 kilometer. 11.8 kilometer. So now, what is the question? Question is, who traveled more and by how much? Who traveled more and by how much? So this is the question. So to compare now, A to B and B to C, distance from A to B, B to C, that is distance traveled by Dinesh. Next, A to D, D to C, that distance you have to see. That is distance traveled by Ayub. Ayub is A to D, D to C. Dinesh traveled from A to B, B to C. So question is, who traveled more distance? Who traveled more and by how much? So that is the question. So now you have to compare. First you have to write distance traveled by Dinesh. So this is the solution. So how to write? Distance traveled by, first it is given Dinesh, right? So he traveled A to B, AB plus B to C, correct? B to C, that is BC. A to B, he traveled from A to B and B to C. Clear? So what is the distance here? A to B, that is 7.5 kilometer. 7.5 kilometer. And B to C, that is 12.7 kilometer. 12.7 kilometer. So now you have to add to find the total distance traveled by Dinesh. So total distance how to find? You have to add A to B distance and B to C distance. B to C distance. Clear? So if you add this, you get. So you know how to add the decimal number. So like see 7.5. It is point, the decimal point. So here number is 12.7. 7.5 and 12.7. 12.7. So how to add 5 plus 7? 5 plus 7. 12. 5 plus 7, 12. So remaining 1 you will add here. 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Correct? The decimal point right as it is. See 7 plus 5, 12. Remaining 1 you will add the next step. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So add 1, you get 20.2. So answer is 20.2 kilometer. Distance traveled by Dinesh is 20.2 kilometer. Now similarly you have to find the distance traveled by Ayub. Clear? So distance traveled by Ayub. So to find distance traveled by Ayub. So now see the figure. In figure they mentioned, see, Ayub traveled from A to D and D to C. Clear? So Ayub traveled from A to D. What is the distance? That is 9.3 kilometer. He traveled from A to D. That is 9.3 kilometer. Similarly D to C. From D to C he traveled 11.8 kilometer. 11.8 kilometer. So now write distance traveled by Ayub. See A to D plus D to C means DC. Clear? D to C, that is the BC. So now A to D, AD is 9.3 kilometer, 9.3 kilometer, and D to C, that is 11.8 kilometer, 11.8 kilometer. Now if you add this, you get, add and say 9.3 plus 11.8. 11.8. Now we get answer 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. Correct? 3 plus 8, 11. Write the decimal point as it is. So remaining 1, add in the next step. We get 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Correct? 9 plus 1, 11. So now add here, we get 21.1. 21.1 kilometer. 21.1 kilometer. This is the distance traveled by Ayub. Here, distance traveled by Ayub. So what is the question? Who traveled more and by how much? So you have to compare now distance traveled by Dinesh and distance traveled by Ayub. So if you compare, you come to know who traveled more. Okay, now we can say that. Here distance traveled by Dinesh is 20.2 kilometer and distance traveled by Ayub is 21.1 kilometer. 21.1 kilometer. So now we can say that therefore Ayub traveled more distance than Dinesh. Correct? Ayub, therefore we can say that Ayub traveled more distance than Dinesh. By how much? Means you have to subtract. Compare here. By how much? 21.1 kilometer. From this, you have to subtract 20.2 kilometer. You will find the difference. Okay? By how much? It is more. So 21.1 minus 20.2 kilometer. So subtract 1 minus 2 is not possible, right? So go to 1 will get 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. Correct? 11 minus 2 is 9. So what is remaining here? 0. So 0 minus 0. 0. Now 2 minus 2. 0. So what is the answer? Answer is 0.9 kilometer. Here answer 0.9 kilometer. So this is the difference between 21.1 kilometer and 20.2 kilometer. That is 0.9 kilometer. Clear? So question is who traveled more and by how much? So answer Ayub traveled more distance than Dinesh by 0.9 kilometer. By 0.9 kilometer. Clear? So you have to find you have to compare who traveled more. First you have to find distance traveled by Dinesh. See the figure. It is given. The distance is given like this from A to B and B to C. This is distance traveled by Dinesh. Clear? Similarly, you have to find distance traveled by Ayub. Means A to D and D to C. This is distance traveled by Ayub. Now you have to compare who traveled more, Dinesh or Ayub. So after adding, we get answer 20.2 kilometer. Here we get 21.1 kilometer, which is larger number, which is greater. 21.1 kilometer is greater number, right? So we can say that the distance traveled by who traveled more distance? That is Ayub. Therefore we can say that Ayub traveled more distance than Dinesh. So one more question is by how much? By how much? Then you have to see the difference. Difference means subtraction, right? 21.1 kilometer minus 20.2 kilometer. So answer you get 0.9 kilometer. Clear? Yes. Thank you. Okay, next question. So here, Shaima bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes and 7 oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. So question is, who bought more fruits? Who bought more fruits? So first question, Shaima bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes, and Sarala bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. So question is, who bought more fruits? So you have to compare. Shaima bought how many kgs of fruits, and one more, Sarala bought how many kgs of fruits. So you have to find total fruits bought by Shaima, and similarly you have to find total fruits bought by Sarala. Clear? Then you have to compare who bought more fruits. Clear? So who bought more fruits? So first one, total fruits bought by Shaima. So that is here. First 5 kg 300 gram, 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg plus 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. So you have to find total fruits bought by Shaima. 5 kg 300 gram plus 3 kg 250 gram. So if you add, we get 5 kg plus 3 kg. That is 8 kg. Correct? 5 kg plus 3 kg, we get 8 kg plus 300 gram plus 250 gram. So 300 plus 250, we get 550 gram. Here 550 gram. If you want, you can convert gram. You can write gram in terms of kg. You can write gram in terms of kg. Clear? So if you want, you can write. You can add like this: 5 kg 300 gram plus 3 kg 250 gram. So we'll get 550 gram. Here is a 8 kg. 8 kg 550 gram. So now if you want, you can convert gram in terms of gram in terms of kg. So to write, this can be written as 8 kg plus 550 gram. 550 gram can be written as 550 by 1000 kg. Here 550 by 1000 kg. Here this you have to convert into kg. Clear? So now 8 kg plus 550 by 1000. 550 by 1000, that can be written as that is answer 0.550 kg. Correct? 8 kg plus 0.550 kg. Now if you add, we get answer 8.8 kg plus 0.550 kg. That answer is 8.550 kg. Clear? 8.550 kg. So this is what total fruits bought by Shaima. So answer 8.550 kg. Now you have to find total fruits bought by Sarala. Clear? So now this is the answer. Now you have to compare. You have to write total fruits. I'll write here. Okay. Total fruits bought by Sarala. So that is, see the question. Sarala bought 4 kg 800 gram, 4 kg 800 gram plus 4 kg 150 gram. So right here 4 kg 150 gram. 4 kg 150 gram. This is total fruits bought by Sarala. So now if you add, we get 4 kg 800 gram plus 4 kg 150 gram. The answer is 4 kg plus 4 kg. You get 8 kg. 8 kg. Now 800 plus 150, we get 950 gram. 950 gram. So now see 950 gram you can write in terms of kg. Clear? You can write in terms of kg. 8 kg plus this gram you can write in terms of kg, means 950 by 1000. 950 by 1000 kg. Why? Because you know 1 kg 1000 gram, right? 1 kg 1000 gram. So 950 gram means how much? So 950 by 1000 kg. You can write like this. Clear? So now 8 kg plus 950 by 1000 is 0.950 kg. 0.950 kg. So if you add this, we get 8 kg plus 0.950 kg. How to add? 8 kg plus 0. So here, see here 8 plus 0.950. So here no decimal point. 8 kg there is no decimal point, right? If you want, you can write extra point and 0. 8.0. Clear? Only for addition. So 0.950 decimal point right together. Clear? So now 8.000 here 0.950. So now 0 plus 0 0 plus 5 5 0 plus 9 9 decimal point right as it is. Now 8 plus 0 that is 8. Clear? This is the addition of decimal numbers. Now 8 kg plus 0.950 kg, we get 8.950 kg. 8.950 kg. So now you have to compare. So question is, who bought more fruits? Who bought more fruits? Shaima or Sarala? So Shaima bought how many kgs of fruits? It is 8.550 kg. 8.550 kg, and Sarala bought 8.950 kg. So therefore Sarala bought more fruits. Correct? Sarala bought more fruits than Shaima. Clear? So 8.950 is greater than 8.500 kg. So we can say that therefore Sarala bought more fruits than Shaima. So this is the answer. Clear? So just you have to compare. Add and compare who bought more fruits. So here Shaima bought how many kgs of fruits? 8.550 kg. Clear? So now Sarala bought 8.950 kg. So if you compare and say that Sarala bought more fruits than Shaima. So this is the answer. Clear? Yes. Thank you.